Okay, so this is gonna be really bad because you have the gun far away in order for it to actually like register. But you can probably get the feel for it. Just go with the horde mode. In the cemetery. Well, I also had to pump the shotgun, so this is gonna be really weird. I think I have unlimited bullets with the shotgun, so. Very fun, very engaging. Honestly, my favorite first-person shooter. I give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. Great graphics, too. I got a gun, but I didn't get to use it. Very gripping and engaging. Ooh, a new gun. Wow, that's... Wow, challenging. I'll play the end of this horde. If all else fails, you can always just shoot them a bunch. You don't even need to go for headshots. Just like that. Oh man, they survived a headshot. Maybe it wasn't a headshot, it was probably a body shot. Oh, a machine gun.